Polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease, it's one and the same. It is a hormonal imbalance where you have irregular cycles or irregular periods. You have excess male hormone in the body, which could give rise to symptoms like acne, hirsutism, excess hair growth on the body, subfertility, emotional disturbances, and polycystic ovaries. This is like a spectrum, okay? And it's a lifestyle disease, always my opening statement. It is a lifestyle disease, but it has got a genetic predisposition to it. That's what we need to understand. And in Indian population, the kind of incidence we have today is 1 in 5, and we are kind of heading towards 1 in 4 women. What exactly happens in PCOS is a very major role of insulin resistance. Now, when we talk about insulin resistance, I would like to clarify what is insulin resistance. Insulin is the hormone which is basically produced by the pancreas, and it's required in the body to break down the carbohydrates and convert it into energy and send it to the cells. Now, if we have insulin resistance, which means whenever we take a carbohydrate meal, the body is producing excess insulin to do its job, and yet not able to do its job completely. And some amount of carbohydrate gets stored in the body as fat. That's what we call as insulin resistance. The unhealthy weight predisposes you to this hormonal imbalance. Okay, so they must understand how we are falling into this vicious cycle. Now, insulin resistance in turn is, giving rise to excess of male hormone in the body, which is in turn creates a hormonal milieu for the ovaries, which is not conducive for correct ovulation. That's how these girls or women do the ovulation happening at the right time, or it's called either an oligo-ovulation or an anovulation, which means sometimes the cycles are anovulatory. We all know there is one egg release in every cycle. That's called ovulation. Correct. But if it's not happening correctly, so oligo-ovulation, or sometimes some cycles are anovulatory cycles. There's no ovulation. That's how their periods get delayed and their periods get irregular. Okay. They don't even get their periods for 2 months or 3 months.